Morning students, class 7 to class 12, English grammar. Transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences. Some sentences you will see from affirmative to negative, there are some rules. Okay, if you follow the rules, you can easily change from affirmative to negative. I have given some examples. Number 1, only students are allowed. Negative. Only students are allowed. We have to transfer the sentence into a negative sentence. Okay, so instead of only, just write down none but. Okay, instead of only, just write down none but the students are allowed. Okay, so if you see that in the sentence there is only, just remove only and instead of it write down none but. Okay, like this, I like only sweets, turn into negative. I like only sweets. The answer is I like nothing but sweets. There was person, so none but, and this is object, sweets object, so nothing but. So instead of only, we will write nothing but. So I like only sweets, I like nothing but sweets. Number 3, you must attend the meeting. You must attend the meeting. Into negative, you cannot but. Instead of must, you write cannot but. Okay, you cannot but attend the meeting. Next, as soon as he saw me, he began to clap. Turn into negative. Instead of as soon as, you will write no sooner. Instead of as soon as, you will write no sooner, did or had. If you write did, then did he see. After did, the present form of the main verb see. He see me, you should write then. Okay, then he began to clap. So, what is the answer? No sooner did he see me, then he began to clap. Or, no sooner had he seen me, then he began to clap. Number 4, then number 5. Number 5 is, he is too weak to walk. Negative. He is too weak. TOO2, then TO2. So instead of too, you write he is so weak. He is so weak that he cannot walk. That he cannot. Instead of next to, you should write that he cannot. Okay. So only instead of TOO2, you should write so, and instead of TO2, you should write that he cannot. So the answer is he is so weak that he cannot walk. Next, he is rich. He is rich and honest. He is rich and honest. Negative, turn into negative. He is not only rich. He is not only rich but also honest. He is not only rich but also honest. Okay, like that you will transfer the sentences. Okay, thanks.